Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Airtable to build project trackers, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.airtable.com and press enter. On the Airtable homepage, locate the Sign Up for Free button. Click on the Sign Up for Free button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Airtable. Open the verification email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected to the Airtable sign-up page. Now, create a strong password for your account. Type in your chosen password and confirm it in the next field. Fill out your first name and last name in the appropriate fields. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will then be asked a few questions about your intended use of Airtable. Answer these questions to help personalize your experience. Once completed, click Continue to move on. Next, you may have the option to connect Airtable to other apps, like Google or Slack. If you want, follow the prompts to connect any of those apps. If not, click on Skip to proceed without connecting other services. Once you are logged in, you will land on your Airtable dashboard. Here, you can see the option to create a new base. Click the Add a Base button to start building your project tracker. You can choose to start with a template or create a base from scratch. If you opt for a template, browse through the available options. Select the project tracker template to customize it for your needs. Click on the template to preview it, and then click Use Template. This will create a copy of the project tracker template in your account. Now you can customize the fields to fit your specific project requirements. Begin by renaming columns to reflect tasks, deadlines, and assign team members. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.